Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Alfa Romeo. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Alfa Romeo is a great value with less than 27,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold weather package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, XM Satellite Radio, Bluetooth, sunroof, and leather seats. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.